Adarsh.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. What are we doing now?
This one.
Homework, right? Yes. Why did you call me, Adarsh?
No, I don't know.
So you want help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what is that. Build the logic. Okay.
Build the logic.
What's the name? Activity name, Shreya?
Build the logic.
Yeah. So let's read. Study the
Study the
picture
picture
carefully.
carefully.
What is this picture? Okay. We have to study this carefully. Okay. How we will see. Count the number of each shape. Okay. Count the number of each shape of which the vehicle is made of. Okay. Count the number of each shape. For example, Adarsh, see. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes, beta.
Mommy.
Let's
sharp, please.
Yeah. I'll sharp. Give me some time here. So.
HB pencil.
Are you ready, Shreya and Adarsh?
Yes.
So, then color the rectangle showing the correct number of each shape. So, what we need to do here is...
Mommy, this one's color.
Yeah. That I will tell you. Keep it aside. First, you understand
I will take this one orange.
Yeah. First, we understand the concept. Okay? Yeah. You also can select your color ready, Shreya. You also can select your color and keep it ready. Then we'll start. So, you have circles. Do you have circle in that picture?
Yes.
How many circles are there? Can you count both?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. You can consider this also.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can look for the circles.
Here.
Yeah. You can mark that circle which is 6. That one. Yes. Okay. Now that's it. 6 only, no? That is 7, no? That circle is 7, no? Can you mark that one? No. Right. Fun?
Yes.
Now I'm going to give you. Yeah. How many rectangles are there?
1, 2.
Rectangles. Those are square. Opposite sides are equal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No.
6.
Those are square.
Rectangle 1. 1, 2.
Shreya has shown me one rectangle.
Which one?
Show me in the picture where is rectangle here.
1, 2.
Where? Show me with the pencil.
Yes.
Rectangle I am telling, not triangle. Rectangle.
Wait, I will show.
Yeah.
Where is?
Showing. Look here.
1, 2, 3.
Give me high five. Adarsh, got it, beta?
Where?
Shreya, can you please show to Adarsh?
Wait. Here. Where?
See, I'll show you. Okay?
Dot.
No, so see, this is rectangle, no? 1, okay? This is yellow one. This yellow strip is also rectangle, no? 2. This green one is also rectangle, no? 3. So you can mark the 3. Wherever is 3 is there, you can mark those rectangles.
This one? It is this.
Yeah, mark.
1.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah. Only 3. Yes, 3 number rectangle is there. Ready for the next one?
Yes.
Yeah. How many triangles are there?
This one triangle.
How many triangles are there in the picture?
1, 2.
How many are there?
1, 2.
Yes. Wherever you can find 2, you can tick that triangles. In the
1.
How many are there, Shreya?
1, 2.
Yeah, you mark both the columns.
Mommy, last also. Last. Mommy.
Last one is also right. Mark all the triangles which is given number 2. All the triangles which is given number 2.
I finished.
Mark it. All the triangles. Shreya. Number 2. Number 2 triangles. Not 3 triangles. Done, beta? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready, Adarsh and Shreya?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is left over? What you have to count? Can you tell? Yes. Are you ready, Shreya and Adarsh?
Yes.
Yes. So what did we do till now? Study the picture carefully. Yes, we studied. What we did? Count the number of each shape of which the vehicle is made of. Yes, we have counted, right? And now, what we have to do the next? I am telling. Okay. So, then color the rectangle showing the correct number of each shape. So, these, Shreya, these numbers is given in which shape?
Maybe the
Yes. Now, the answer is given in which shape? Where are the answers? Yes. That is given in which shape?
rectangle.
These shapes is given in which shape? What is this shape called?
Rectangle.
What is this shape called? This shape.
Rectangle.
Yes. Those answers is given in rectangle, right?
Yes.
What is that one rectangle which is having all the answers? Look for the tick mark which is having all the answers correct in one rectangle. You ticked everything like circle, square, rectangle and triangle. That rectangle you have to find out now.
Rectangle or rectangle?
One rectangle which is having all the tick marks. Can you find out that one?
No, it's not there.
Yeah. Go to the second one.
With this one?
Go to the second one. This rectangle is not having all the tick marks, right?
Wait. This also is not there.
This one. Find out for this rectangle. All the tick marks are there. This rectangle is having all the tick marks.
No.
Why no? See, square is ticked, circle is ticked, rectangle is ticked,
All are ticked.
triangle, all are ticked, right? Here, find out for this one. It's not, right? Find out for this one. Huh? So, which rectangle you have to color?
This one.
Which one? Show me correctly.
This one.
Good job, Adarsh. High five. Got it? How to do?
Yes.
Enjoy? Yes, Shreya. You got it?
I'm doing.
Yeah. Show me which rectangle is ticked. Yeah. Which rectangles are not ticked? All the shapes.
This.
Huh.
This.
Huh.
This.
Huh. Now which rectangle you need to color?
This.
Give me high five. How was the activity? Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Yes, doing this activity was fun or no?
It's fun.
Yes, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Good job, Adarsh. Firstly, how to color, Adarsh? Firstly, how to
Corner.
color?
Outlines.
Outline. Do not cross the... Do it little slowly, beta.
And
Gently
do
you do.
like that. Do it.
Are you coloring, beta, Shreya?
Yeah. Just
So, Adarsh, what did you write? Fruits and?
vegetable.
Can you tell me the spelling of tomato?
I'm not done.
You'll not tell? Yes, Shreya and Adarsh. Wow, nicely you're doing, Adarsh. Who taught you, beta? Nicely doing, both of you. Wow. Now Adarsh will tell tomato spelling. Tomato spelling. Come on, Adarsh.
Again, you see?
Yeah, very nicely Adarsh is doing. Very
Mommy,
nicely
you didn't
Shreya is
see.
doing.
You didn't see.
Yeah.
See this
Yeah.
pencil?
Wow. Now, can you tell me tomato spelling, beta, Adarsh?
Tomato. Tomato.
Now, one fruit spelling I'll ask you, Adarsh.
Mango.
No. Orange.
Orange.
Wow, you know grape spelling also, beta.
Yeah.
Can you tell me, beta?
Grapes. Grapes.
You know mango spelling also?
Yes.
Wow, can you tell me, beta?
Beta. Mango. Mango.
You know papaya also?
Yes.
Wow.
Papaya. Papaya.
Awesome. Banana also you know, beta?
Yes.
Can you tell me,
Banana. Banana.
Amazing. Can you tell me onion spelling too?
O-I-N.
Onion. Onion.
I know.
Yeah.
O-N-I-O-N.
Good
Onion.
job, Adarsh. Do you know carrot also?
Yes.
Wow. Can you tell me better?
C-A-R-R-T. No.
Huh.
O-T.
Good
Carrot.
job, Adarsh. Can you tell me brinjal spelling?
Brinjal.
Huh.
B-R-I-N-J-A-N. J-A-L. Brinjal.
Potato.
P-O-T-A-P-O. Potato.
Good job. Bye. Wonderful job.
Correct,
Wonderful
huh?
job. P-A-T-O-T-O you said now.
Hmm.
Good job. Wonderful job. You know all the fruits name, 5 fruits name, 5 vegetables name. Now Shreya, what Shreya is doing? What Shreya?
I don't like green.
No, what are you doing? I'm telling you.
Mummy, take
But you like story reading, no Shreya? Yeah, nice you read. I really enjoy whenever you are reading stories. You and Adarsh. Yes, Adarsh?
Yes.
Yours is finished.
Yes.
Good job, Adarsh.
Yes. Apple also I'll tell.
Yeah.